Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and when it comes to food, I am somebody who loves sauce. So that's why I was so excited to receive this Jonny Hetherington Essentials Barbecue Sauce Trio. The pineapple flavor has that perfect touch of tropical fruitiness, and it made an incredible barbecue chicken pizza. So if you find yourself debating with someone about whether pineapple belongs on a pizza, maybe this sauce is a good compromise for you. All three of these sauces had this great level of smokiness to them. I feel really good about eating these because not only are they extremely tasty, but they are also made with simple ingredients. Something I've noticed is that when I buy barbecue sauces off the shelf in the grocery store, sometimes they just hit me with a lot of sweetness, but not a lot of flavor. However, the depth of flavor and texture of these sauces really reminds me of something that is slow cooked and home crafted. For movie night, I was really in the mood for some saucy snack food, and the original flavor sauce with some seasonings and chicken thighs in my pressure cooker made some super addictive pulled chicken sliders. Out of the three sauces, I think the craft beer flavor was probably my personal favorite. I could definitely taste that malty beer flavor, and it went amazing on some barbecue burgers. I found all three of these sauces great for dipping things in and for adding smoky, sweet flavor to just about anything. And that's my point of view.